Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. Today we will learn how SQL combines condition using and or and not. Also I will explain the theory in simple English and then we will run practical queries using a sample table like the employee YT table that you are seeing on the screen. Before jumping into the theory part, let me explain something. This two column that you are seeing is active and is remote is having 1 and 0. 1 means yes, 0 means no. Simple as that. So rather than writing yes or no, I thought of writing this. So just for the explanation part, I am just keeping you this alert. So right now let's move to the theory part. And first is and. So it is used when all conditions must be true. Means if I write this and this, then both the conditions should be matching. Then only it will shows the output. Second is or. Like it is used when any one condition is true. Any one matlab suppose city equal to Delhi or city equal to Mumbai, both the data will be shown here, like Delhi and Mumbai both will be shown here. But the thing is, let me tell you one thing, anyone should be true. Okay, anyone should be true. Or if you want both the condition, this is the only thing of using or. Third thing is not means used to exclude the condition that you have given. Like in the previous video you have seen, we have used symbol like surprise sign, the exclamatory sign equal to for not. This is same thing what we will be seeing today, like using of proper not rather than using symbol. And let me tell you one thing, there is a order when we combine all this thing. Order comes in like that, not and or. This is the actual order how SQL treats the condition, and always use parentheses to avoid confusions. Parentheses means open and close round brackets. That's it. And also I will have a bonus part related to the null handling. Null handling like comparison with null. Let me tell you, it does not return true or false. They are unknown. So always use is null, is not null. Right? I have told this thing in the previous video as I'm telling this thing in this video. So no need to worry about. We will see all the practical part in today's video as well. As you can see, this is the sample table that we will be using, and the table is containing total 7 columns and 10 rows, right? As you can see this, and 0 and 1, you know what I'm trying to say, it is yes or no, simple as that. So first example, we will be seeing the use of basic and what we will use related to department is active and salary. Let's see, where is it? Yeah, suppose I want something, and here let's see this. Suppose I need select everything from employee YT where department equal to IT. Okay, then I want and salary greater than 70,000. And suppose I would say one more thing, is active. Okay, is active. All the three things should satisfy the condition. Let's execute it. Okay, department. Sorry, I've written the full thing. It should be DEPT. I actually forgot for that. Now see, department IT, salary more than 70, is active 1. All the three conditions are matching. That's what's the beauty of using and condition in SQL. Right now, let's move to the second example for basic or. We want city, Delhi and Mumbai. Simple. Let's use that. Second, or let's use this, select everything from employee YT where city equal to Mumbai or city equal to Delhi. Now see what output do we get. We got all the output where city equal to Mumbai and Delhi. That's the main thing. That's the main thing. If you want any two datas to be in the output, like I want Mumbai and Delhi both datas in the output, this is how we use it. We directly use or in this, simple as that. Now let's use, I would say, let's see some kind of parenthesis use, like use of close, I mean open and close round brackets. Let's see that. Let's see, I would say use of parenthesis. Okay, now see this. Let's set like I want all the data from employee YT, where let's think of a condition like active is active equal to 1, and let's see one thing, we need department IT and city Delhi. I will show you what it is all about. Department equal to IT or city equal to Delhi. Right now, let's execute this. Let's execute it. Now, let me show you one thing. How things goes on and how things work behind the scenes. As I've told you, it is always not and or. So first and will work, first and will work, then or will work. ठीक है? So this and this. ठीक है? Is active one. Okay. Active one. ठीक. Right now let's move to the or वाला part. Department IT और city Delhi. तो ये तो it should be there, and department IT. Okay, department is IT and city equal to Delhi. ठीक है? That is what I am trying to say. Means for IT department, any city will be there. No worries for that, because I told department IT. So wherever IT is there, it will show. Or city Delhi. So wherever city is Delhi, it will show. That's the thing. Don't get confused like city equal to Mumbai. How is it? We have told city IT or city Delhi. It is like that. Wherever department IT is there, it will show you in the output. Wherever city Delhi is there, it will show you in the output. That's it. Simple. And it is not, and it is not like both the conditions should be matching. It is not like that. When or comes into picture, here two different requirements comes into picture. Let me explain. Where and comes into picture, there both requirement comes into picture, like both use of requirement. When or comes into picture, it is all about two different requirement, two separate requirement. They are not connected in any way, not connected in any way. It is like department IT, city Delhi. That's it. See, department IT is there, city Delhi is there. Simple as that. That's the thing. That's the beauty of and or. Okay. And also let's see the use of not. Okay. Let's see the use of not. How it works. Mm, or okay. Not. So let's. What should we find? Let's find something which is active and not HR, like my favorite department. Select everything from employee YouTube where is active equal to 1, and always and not department equal to HR. And as I have told you, you always not will comes into picture first, like not and or. So not HR will be the first thing. Remember that. Not okay. Let me execute. I have not actually executed it. Now see. First thing is this. Not HR is the first thing. First priority. Like I would say, kind of order of execution. Not HR should be the first thing. See, HR is not there, but it is active. Okay, is active, not HR. Both. As I've told you, and means what? Both the requirement. This requirement and this requirement should match on a combination, like combination requirement. And is all about combination requirement. That's it. ठीक. So now let's move to something null. Okay, let's see about null. Let's see about null. Suppose I want city is not null, and then let's find something like that. Let's find not null, and also you see the use of null. Okay, like select everything from employee YT, and let me find out where city is null. Let me show you which city is null first. I mean, which row is null. Okay, Neha sales null. Okay, and is not null. Same thing. Let us find out that as well. Is not null. Let us find out that when we execute it, see the data. Each and every data will be there, but null won't be there. Okay, null won't be there. Simple as that. Here see 8 वाला जो रो है that is not present. This is the use of null, right? Null and not null always use is and is not. Don't use equal to. Remember that. And let us use something in use of in is same as or. Let me show you the same thing. We will do the same thing. ठीक है? We will do the same example here. uh let's see this in. ठीक है? Where here what I have shown you, city equal to Delhi and Mumbai. I will use in this. ठीक है? City in Mumbai, Delhi. ठीक है? It will do the same work. Use of in means use of or. Simple as that. Now see, it will show us the same data. Simple as that. Rather than writing three lines using or like this, it is better to use in. Just open and close parenthesis, one comma, like how many datas are there, that many commas you put, it is good to go. So use of in is same as use of or. You will get the same thing, no worries for that. And as you can see the output, it is like both Mumbai and Delhi. It's shown here in this. Okay, so that's the thing. And okay, so let us see something kind of a real life kind of scenario. Real life. Let us see real life scenario. Okay, let's see this. Suppose I want something where is active is 1. Let us write side by side. Where is active is 1. And suppose I want something like salary should be between 60, like salary should be between suppose 60,000 and 1 lakh. Suppose let's take this 1 lakh. Also, I will use one more thing, and city is not null. Okay, and city is not null. See, I am using this three things properly, and let's execute it. See, what we get is active 1 and between 60 and 60 and 1 lakh. Okay, 60 and 1 lakh, city is not null. All the three conditions are matching. This is what I'm trying to say, and this is a kind of real life example. So that's all about it. Let us do some recap, and also let us see what things we have learned. So what we have learned that and means all conditions must be true, or means any one condition can match, and not is used to exclude, as we have seen in the practical. Always remember, sequel follows not, then and, then or. This is the order of execution. Make sure you properly remember this, by heart this, write it somewhere, but please remember not, and or. And parenthesis is very important in a professional way, also to reduce error in queries always use parentheses. Parentheses is nothing but open and close round brackets. And finally, the last thing, how the null is carefully used with the help of is and is not. Although we have learned this in the previous video, but still it is important. So that's all about it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel by clicking on the bell icon as well, so that you get notification about the live stream that we do every day. So you can join the live stream and ask doubts related to this queries or related to any of the, I would say, uh, topics that we learned today. And also share this video to someone who is learning SQL or those who want to refresh their SQL skills on a daily basis. So that's all about it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy querying, happy learning, and happy coding.